We have data on for quarter.
Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4.
Now we should consolidate it on New Sheet.
Click on New Sheet. Click on Data. Click on Consolidate. Click on Sum. Select Quarter 1 data. Select Quarter 1 data. Click on Add. Select Quarter 2 data. Click on Add. Select Quarter 3 data. Click on Add. Select Quarter 4 data. Click on Add. Click on Top row. Click on Left column. Click on Left column. Click on Create Young to Source Data. Click on OK.